Hello friends, we are going to see about the topic called soldering. In soldering, the process is introduction. Now introduction, what is meant by the soldering? Soldering is a process of joining together two metal is called soldering. Either it's copper or lead or aluminum lead, it may be differ. Okay, according to the what type of the soldering temperature may vary. This based on the what is the different type of the material the soldering is vary. How to solder? This is called manual soldering image. In this soldering image, the shows their circuit board and LED. The copper pad in that is the solder is lead. I showing here the solder is present of lead content 60-40. That means 60 percentage of lead, 40 percentage of another material due to the flux. It may be contained and copper pad. Copper pad means the another material. Two materials join in process is called soldering. Next, the types of soldering. The types of soldering have two methods, the hand soldering and robo soldering. Hand soldering means this is one is called hand soldering, manual soldering image. The robo soldering means the surface mounting image is called robo soldering image. It may vary the automatic solder and it picker the automatic solder machine. The robo solder SMD, the surface mounted is a big topic. I'll show in next. Um, Soldering materials. Soldering materials are soldering iron, flux, soldering lead, stand, temperature checker. These are desalters, desalters, soldering iron, soldering flux, soldering flux, soldering lead, desalter, soldering desalter wire, soldering desalter picker and stand. The temperature checker, it consists of quality process or it may be vary. Working. Solder is a fusible metal. What is due to the lead, the temperature preparation. See the preparation image. I show it clearly in image. Preparation. The circuit board, copper plate, and solder and iron. It is preparation. First preparation to create a permanent bond to for metal pieces. This one. Next heating. Heating is 300 °C heat in solder. It is a permanent heat purpose for lead. It is an accurate lead melting point. Inside the solder melt properly. The 350 °C means it clearly properly melted and pull out the solder and the lead and pull out the tip. It makes perfect solder in within 1 second itself it solder clearly. Applications. What they are using used to joining the small DC wires in LEDs. That's and all used in cell phone, SMD and all electronic devices are based on solder only. Used in for rework purpose. Rework purpose means soldering rework purposes and all rework purposes for electrical wires, small damages or reoccurring this soldering. Used in sensor device. All sensor devices are joined with the soldering only in the sensoring circuit. Thank you. Any questions? Ask me in comment. Thank you.